Hi, my name is George. We are FunTech Innovations. It's the second part of the tutorial video for our Innex CT series. Right now, I'm going to show you how to pair the USB Type-C dongle with our Innex CT series touch display. Just get the USB Type-C dongle and with a USB-A connectors on top. Then just plug in at the front of our USB-A port. Just several seconds, and you are able to see this screen pop up, and the USB Type-C dongle start to pair with our Innex Connect Pro receivers. So you already see pairing successful, then you can unplug. And right now, just remove the USB-A adapters and plug in this USB Type-C dongle into your notebook, and you are able to do the wireless casting. So just like that, right now I'm going to show you wireless casting right now. So you are seeing in the big screen my computer's image without any cable wireless casting to that. During the wireless casting, you are also able to do the touchpad from the monitor to your laptop. Not just we have the touchpad support, we also have the Microsoft and Protocol support. So when you are using a Microsoft Office package like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or other Microsoft Office package, you are able to keep your annotation directly into the file. This is a typical Windows in support. So I just give you one example. If I open a PowerPoint file, okay, just open the PowerPoint file, and I have these annotations, and I can directly write other notation here, and these annotations will be kept inside, and I can also do the erase. Okay, so I can erase the annotations, and all the annotations is inside PowerPoint file. If I say I keep it, all these annotations will be inside the PowerPoint file, or Excel file, or Word file. During the wireless casting, our Innex CT series touch display embedded 4K camera can also switch between 3 different AI modes. Right now, you are watching me by a manual mode, which means that there's no any AI effects. So right now, I'm going to show the first AI auto framing mode. So just using your remote control, every button has a different AI mode for you to choose. So let me choose the first one, which is auto framing mode. So when I choose the auto framing mode, the camera will start to follow me to any position, any place I go. So just the typical auto framing mode. The second one is the gallery mode. Gallery means that if I have several meeting participants here, each one will have its own windows, just focusing on the face of the meeting participant, each of them. So let me just change second one, which is a gallery mode. Right now we don't have several meeting participants, just myself, but the camera will still focusing on me to zoom in my face to be the main person in the meeting. The third one is the speaker tracking. So right now I changed to speaker tracking, so you can see I'm speaking, so the camera just follow me when I'm talking. Also will continue follow me until the next person start to talk. So that's the speaker tracking mode. And right now I switch back to the manual mode. In conclusion, our Innex CT series is a 4K display QLED panel with 4K camera and microphone integrated with the Innex Connect Pro receiver for BYOM wireless casting, totally non-Android high security touch display for the corporate environment. Thank you for watching this tutorial video for Innex CT series. See you next time.